So kí ni iṣẹ́ táwọn governor state ń ṣe? This is a big question we need to ask ourselves. Like question ta ní láti béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara wa pé àwọn executive governor, elected governor tá à ń yàn ní each state, kí ni iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe gangan, kí ni major function wọn tó ń carry out ní various states wọn? Because I need to ask myself, and a discussion between a friend and I, is there a particular state in Nigeria that will find it difficult to survive, to grow, or to face the test of time about party ways? Definitely kò sí. Definitely kò sí. Ṣé rí Ọlọ́run ọba tó dá wa yìí, Ọlọ́run tó dá wa, kò ń ṣe ọba àkà. He's a merciful God, he's a faithful God, tó jẹ́ pé ó máa ń show mercy ẹ̀ sí gbogbo àwọn creatures ẹ̀ tó dá. So for so many years now, tó jẹ́ pé resources tí kò tiẹ̀ jọra wọn lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan lọ́lọ́run fi sáwọn ìlú kan. Ẹ pé èyí tó bá fún eléyìí in abundance, tó bá fún state yìí in abundance, tó bá fún mi, because it has already been programmed. Ó ti wà nínú ètò Ọlọ́run pé tóun bá ti dá yín, nígbà tẹ́ máa jẹ tẹ́ máa survive, òun ti fún yín. So kò sí state yẹn ní Nàìjíríà yìí, ní Nàìjíríà tàwa yìí, tó jẹ́ pé at the end of the day whether we part ways or not, they cannot survive on their own without depending on the federal government. So ó mean pé àwọn governor wa, they will just go to Abuja. What they have, they don't take care of it. They don't bother to pay attention. They don't look for way to maximize profits out of nǹkan t'Ọlọ́run ọba ṣe fún wọn nínú state wọn yẹn. Because I don't understand. Ebonyi State now. Ebonyi State is full of limestone. Limestone only major resources or materials that need nínú cement production. Enugu State, they have their own, they have coal. Gbogbo alamọ nǹkan tí coal ń sọ ní, especially ní international markets. Nílé ní tó mọ̀ yìí. Zamfara State is full of gold. Gold. Kí state ní gold? Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó máa yé sọ. Ẹ gbọ́, ẹ listen sí máa.
Nigeria, we have the largest number of lazy governors in the world. Nigeria, I repeat, we have the highest number of lazy governors in the world. Ebonyi State, they have limestone. Their governor is not doing anything about it. He just come to Abuja every month to collect money and go back. No single factory there, and they have the largest deposit of limestone. Enugu coal, all of us know, we know how much they are selling coal in international markets. Check it on your phone. But the governor rather come to Abuja to collect allocation every month. Zamfara, gold, the governor, they look away. You know, consign me. They are going to Abuja to collect money. And they are using helicopter, private jet to come and carry his gold away. Because if we go to Abuja and collect allocation, Ondo State, the largest, world second largest deposit of bitumen, even Ondo State no get road. They no get factory. Even the road where Ondo State get, na import dem import am, but the bitumen wey dem import dey under their feet. Ekiti State, agrarian state. Ekiti State cannot produce single Ekiti yam or single Ekiti product. They even built airport. They lock the airport after commissioning it because they know they are going to Abuja at the end of the month to collect allocation. They use 3 billion to clear land when they can buy tractor. Aba Aba is the biggest market in West Africa, but they sit at home every Monday. Sit at home. Akwa Ibom has the longest sand beach in the world, one of the longest. No single tourist. They didn't even advertise it for tourism. Now laziness. Our governors are very lazy. All they know is come to Abuja, collect allocation, bully your local government, sha sha sha. President Tinubu, this your tax reform is one of the best. No going back. No room for lazy governor. Stop spoon feeding them. Let them go and generate revenue. God bless Nigeria.
To survive. Tá wà ní problem kan, tá kó nu kan, tá bọ́ sí kan. Kí ni major reason gangan tí àwọn governor yìí tán fi yín against the reform bills Tinubu? Is it, can we just come into conclusion that they are full of laziness? They are just lazy. On country free money, they will just go to Abuja to get their allocation and blown up the money. It's just like you are a farmer. We know you to be a farmer. Or they decide láti máa sùn sílé o lọ sóko. So that definitely tó bá di àsìkò harvest, you will not have anything to harvest now because you did not plant anything, you did not water, you did not nurture anything to grow for you to become to produce for you at the end of the day. So definitely, if you don't have anything you are doing, you have something that God has blessed you with and you don't know how to manage it, you continue to complain, lament. Èyàn kò máa live in agony because my major reason gangan tó ń sọ pé àwọn ò fẹ́ kíní reform tax bill yìí. Just look at it. What analysis tí máa yìí ṣe. So statistically, from analytics, it is obvious, it is clear. Kò rújú rárá wípé each state lọ́lọ́run bá fún ní nǹkan tiẹ̀. Tán lè máa jẹ, tán lè máa fi ibi, tán lè máa fi gbáyé gbádùn, tán lè máa fi wà nínú fọkànbalẹ̀. Please subscribe to this channel. Kí ni major problem wa gangan tá ní? Aláwọn olórí tó yẹ pé they are not ready to work, they don't want to do anything. So why they on press our local government? Ṣé pé Tinubu ó ráwọn ìgbìyànjú yìí ṣe? But still no, we want Yoruba nation. We want Yoruba nation. God bless you. Ẹ bá mi subscribe to the channel. Please share, like and comment. Bye.